Children, in this video, we are going to learn about action of nitric acid on metals. So, nitric acid, you know the formula HNO3. HNO3. Nitric acid cannot react with all metals, except a few metals. It will not react. For example, gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium, tantalum, these will not react with metals. Except these, most of the metals can react with nitric acid. Some metals remains passive when treated with nitric acid due to the formation of a layer of their oxides on the metal surface. For example, aluminium, iron, cobalt, nickel, chromium. These are rendered passive in nitric acid due to the formation of a layer of their oxides on the metal surface, which prevents the nitric acid to react with these metals. So this is also called as passivation. Next, weak electropositive metals like tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten, molybdenum react with nitric acid to form metal oxide, in which metal is in higher oxidation state and the oxygen is in lower oxidation state. Metal is in higher oxidation state and the acid is in lower oxidation state. So the common products evolved during these reactions with nitric acid are NO2, NO, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, water. Similarly, nitrogen is produced, hydroxylamine, ammonia, these and all produced. So the oxidation state, it varies depending upon the products. In HNO2, here nitrogen is +5 oxidation state. In nitrous oxide, this is +4 oxidation state nitrogen. HNO3, nitrogen is +3 oxidation state. Nitric oxide, nitrogen is +2 oxidation state. Nitrogen, it is an elemental state, so 0 oxidation state. Ammonia, it is in -3 oxidation state. Such a way, different oxidation states are produced. So, now the reactions of metals with nitric acid. Nitric acid. Here, 3 steps follow. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. Primary. Metal treated with nitric acid forming metal nitrate and nascent hydrogen is liberated. This nascent hydrogen is in atomic state. This is higher energetic, vigorous in reaction than H2. This is the First step, primary reaction producing nascent hydrogen. Now, secondary with nitric acid. This nascent hydrogen reacts in different moles. Here, if it is 2 nascent hydrogen, remaining 6. If it is 8 hydrogen, see what are the products we are getting. Nitric acid with 2 nascent hydrogen means we are getting HNO2, nitrous acid plus water. If treated with 6 hydrogen means we are getting hydroxylamine NH2OH plus 2 water molecule. Nitric acid with 8H, we are getting ammonia plus 3 water molecule. Nitric acid 2 moles with 8 nascent hydrogen forming hyponitrous acid H2N2O2 plus 4 water molecule. These are the secondary reaction. Nitric acid with the nascent hydrogen that we got from the primary step. So these are the products: nitrous acid, hydroxylamine, ammonia, hyponitrous acid. These are the products, secondary products we got. Now, third step, these secondary products, nitrous acid, hydroxylamine, ammonia, hyponitrous acid, either decompose or react to give the final products. One is it will decompose, another is it will react. So first, decompose of the secondary product, that is nitrous acid, nitrous HNO2. If we are taking 3 moles, we are getting nitric acid HNO3 plus nitric oxide NO plus water. If we are taking 2 moles of nitrous acid, we are getting nitrogen pentoxide N2O5 plus H2O. Nitrogen pentoxide. Next, if you are taking hyponitrous acid H2N2O2, it decomposes to give nitrous oxide plus water. This is one way of giving the products, final products. Decompose. Next, reaction. This is decompose. Next, reaction. For example, nitrous oxide HNO2 reacts with ammonia forming N2 plus H2O. Similarly, nitrous acid reacts with hydroxylamine to form N2O plus H2O. Such a way the reaction going on. So we are following 3 steps: primary, then secondary products either decompose or react to give the final products. These are the steps followed. So we can, based upon this, we can see 1 or 2 examples. Example 1. Okay, we can take copper. Copper reacts with nitric acid. Okay. Primary step, secondary step, tertiary step. Primary, copper with the nitric acid forming copper nitrate CuNO3 twice plus nascent hydrogen. Producing nascent hydrogen means it is the primary step. Here we are getting 6H because 6 nitric acid molecule reacts. So you have to balance. Now I did balance 3 molecule, here also 3. Okay, first step over. Now 6 nascent hydrogen treated with 3 molecules of nitric acid. Secondary reaction. We are getting 3 molecules of nitrous acid HNO2 plus 3 molecules of water. Third step, this secondary product, that is 3 molecules of nitrous acid giving nitric acid HNO3 plus 2 molecules of nitric oxide plus water. So what is the overall reaction? Primary, secondary, tertiary. So overall, here 6 hydrogen, opposite side 6 hydrogen, cancel it. Here 1 HNO3, here 3 1 HNO3 goes, so remaining 2 is here. 3 HNO2, 3 HNO2 get cancelled. So remaining you add here 3 copper, 3 copper, 3 copper plus 6 HNO3 plus 2 HNO3, 8 HNO3 giving 3 CuNO3 twice plus 2 NO plus here 1 water molecule, 3 water molecule, so 4 water molecule. 4 water molecule. This is the overall reaction. Copper with nitric acid. If copper treated with corn nitric acid, concentrated. So for that also these 3 steps will be followed. At last we are getting copper nitrate. Instead of this nitric oxide, we are getting nitrogen dioxide plus 2 water molecule. 2 water molecule we are getting. Here 4 molecules. This is with concentrated nitric acid. This is one of the example. Next, another one more example given in your book, magnesium. First step, magnesium with nitric acid HNO3, we are getting magnesium nitrate MgNO3 twice plus 8 hydrogen, nascent hydrogen. Next step, 8 nascent hydrogen plus HNO3 nitric acid giving ammonia plus water, 3 water molecules. Next, this ammonia, secondary product ammonia with, here does not decompose, it reacts once more with nitric acid giving NH4NO3. Now 8H ammonia, then what else? That's all. That's all. Okay. Now we add, see, shall we add? Here 8H means here 8 HNO3. Here 4 magnesium. So overall reaction, 4 magnesium plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1, 10. 10 HNO3 giving 4 MgNO3 twice plus NH4NO3 ammonium nitrate plus water molecule, 3 water molecule here, so plus 3 water molecule. This is the overall reaction. Similarly, magnesium, when treated with very dilute nitric acid, HNO3, same product, 10HNO3 we are reacting 4 of magnesium. We are getting 4 magnesium nitrate NO3 twice plus. Instead of this ammonium nitrate, we are getting nitrous oxide N2O plus 5 water molecule. So, reaction with metals, 3 steps followed: primary, secondary, tertiary. That should be followed. Primary producing nascent hydrogen, then secondary products getting, then secondary products either decompose or react to give the final products.